Another Malakan Yamka Nasan content Barwaisni Bakalinka Nuer online TV channel. Biakamal Anwala Shanka Walwan Kapaidio Kuron Kina Dangra with the Jandangra with the ditch. Bana Rajame Banaja Quen Kel. A Raja Banalinga, a quick mayardit. Qatar dan and Naga Nueri. Ki Naga Jiso Sudan. Kan Raja dan and Charlotte. Qatar dan en la mal la ja gorno be yar kaja kajan ba chajalat long ko do dan ran catholic kaja menge de la to ran lo akot ki kaja ne jen o shi ran lo akot ban je linka je lerame te ko right mishala netin content radio ko dan sharka catholic church kata dan en roikir ma yadit kaja ko jan waran ngata ka catholic church kajan ba naganare which ka South Sudan ka yajaro de long no jandara malder jono re which ka South Sudan do no telemgwa mi be ka re ka de kire kwarada bana roite me bana je linkel kana ta danan chikem yadi na naka je re which ka get up na state ki chen war che kana re we ka nasir kana lunga chuk bana tin kontilat korin gwasme bana ga chulinkel no Biakamal nyok en lerban lat gwasme rojen chalat ke kwikir mayardit en kir mayardit arandul kot en chalke Catholic Church ajen gwasan la palatin jen ngada kot ke ngada konyal kata dana nan je kaja kir mayardit laro da yaje long eno aran ngasa ka Catholic ka jana nek nuari ki nek ji South Sudan ka jana oran kot ajan kuaran tu kori rewich ka South Sudan mite ko korm lero rewich ka South Sudan ajala ja to ko shirme ngayena ron kina dangre wal diok ajan to ko mo kina wal bakal ron kin dangre wal bakal ajan to ko mo antama ajan nang nuare ka ron kina dangre wal jan dangre wal diech anyok chan nuare chaka nyok menaka ka ban wo wore lar kana me la ya jarode ka miche belaslet la roda yaja ke la yaja re lo akot ka Catholic Church. Kir mayardit shalado a dictator. Ki thoknath. Dictator aramishirante de kam chonda. Mishia gak. Okay, ki changaje no te mishi lokaje. Be force be use be gorno jen be jinak ko lajana ko gorjen o chibel right anymore. Be power be user amamo so Kiir a dictator ke East Africa community Kiir mayardit jen chetu be chakalat tichnadwal kaje ko jen lada je general Catholic Church at the same time kay yo ka jere lwakot banaba konak so chachu larno jen a dictator katin kona lat korodin ngai kona tin kona led Kiir mayardit la mwal ka yede pin la pale la mwal ka yede pin lwakot la roda yaje behnu ba mal be nangre we ka South Sudan la larno ba mal beno china bu nyoklo kor teram bu nyoklo kor many time la Kiir mayardit dalat but Georgia gwano Kiir mayardit kajene kach kajene je lwakot Catholic Church kajene ka kach jen chiran lwakot ko la da yaje lo ko yedo malga pin be larno ba mal beje no charo de yaje ne tungwana no ba mal beje no re wi ka South Sudan jen be charo de yaje niam kwaran shal ke pop je ramadan en ke Catholic ke winmon bane de larno la lo kunna dial te ko pinde sia video de sianen ka sia tourne ken sia kanen gwa de shim pop shima shokir mayarditen shima ka ya jarode no ngamal re we ka South Sudan jaga South Sudan te kamal Kiir mayardit boroda yaj bano ba mal bejeno bangod Kiir mayardit bo la men jeng ne jana long kamandana chalat la lele chetel mi chikana lat kana kwalo ko ten la kwalo ko den ko men pub la be ne ka juba ko borod bi nyot nat ngai ko ne pub tam te ka jui na jumi di bongo yo don che betekten ci poblen moj boka delege ne kene te bubu right ko kipop kene ci popjo ben dawuch ci kana la no normal ci ngod ba ci Kiir mayardit ci jelaslet Kiir mayardit e jene shaitan alright ruec kir mayardit ruec dana ruec ke jare ruec ke South Sudan ruec mitel rardin mishim ruec ke ja ruec mitel mal ruaje ruec ke dar ke chwer kana nagnat en ramchi ruec kir mayardit cheling alo tia ganis kir mayardit la janaka bajor bajabat che gorno bajor be kamni al ke bajeling alo la na la ka luche and point kir mayardit jentelo gat telo ramadit ana kir mayardit larik ta tola kalada kir mayardit nang na da latok mungi yenten kon lat karodian men kir mayardit nang nat kaja ne di ti te banyo de gwasame ne titin baga nyoti antama kane titi kaji Uganda kan ji Uganda ten content pa deploy pa ka deploy rewich ka South Sudan na me helicopter menna kan ware kaja helicopter me cha bok cha class bom cha je jakre wi kana sar kana lungu chuk cha nayti chop jandang ri bakel cha kanak e kir mayardit namo kir mayardit lo gatelo ramadit ene raan ramichir wale look be dil nak be dil torture ke shot ko e cha ngot cha katol munyu de gwano kir mayardit jene shaitan but the shaitan wimon use Uganda ala netin näkɛ ji South Sudan especially ne ko la Nuer ka jono ya jarore lwakot ka Catholic chojo jen boat ki ran lwakot mala mala noka ba wiere lwakot ke jenda bo shem mandin nina gay ne te wan long ke kir mayardit gay ne te wan long ko mandana nyot kir mayardida ka nyodo jeno jenera manget kot kaga kora bo tung nang nat jenta dan yen kir mayardit keja swing mon la nena kir mayardit jen chatyak ko ba jen chatyak ko ba kan pin wi kwam shebulo ngor la kwar South Sudan ko jen cha tidial bet nagnat tel ko che ko che jalut cha kala dore de kete diala to tel mekan alat tel mekan went through ke come across milade watin jeg diala kon luka ka constitution tin jeg diala kon luka ka human right ano chiran ka de la wati kir mayardit kan dial che ka tiep kan dial so kir mayardit a dictator mishi gorno ba jen ka power easily jen la de da ne cha la de Hitler ka gwa de dan Hitler ne choro de ni ran Catholic la ji Catholic pal ka je ka lya ka je long ka te la de ka Israel ka German ka gwa de dan ko jan ran German me je beten out de no she Israel chop ka 6 million cha nak and ka jen ran Catholic church the same thing goes to Kir Mayardit the dictator you the Catholic church la way out ka je gongo roda kay yoba nanak jaka je wargana dial langaji nono mare we ka South Sudan balaro yes be malbe ben next thing bunganje boom naga gate tiene so Kir Mayardit jen a terrorist but a terrorist mitere Nuer a terrorist mitere nat katin chalat kan dial ka bet chika to go turu menen yana me ke dul ko ne Kir Mayardit che ka wang tiang ka wor shirme ngayana kimdan karunwang so right now ngai kono no Kir Mayardit che fitene mor ko dongda la kwar magwa tiremen chwin mon te jalat win mon te gwi Kir Mayardit katin kone lede so Kir Mayardit a dictator la tok man be de long man kulo inen to ngwala jat ke je especially ka Catholic church ten kontin kuraje mele no kana Kir Mayardit la mise ka kokel mite ka bos lo akot mite ka kwalo akot ten kontin lat ka roine kot la Kir Mayardit la mite kel ka yaje rode ka gwa kwana no ba South Sudan be je no mal kwer mu yaje rode ka konyal ka korbo la mi je bo nang na gat kwer mu tede jela ra ya je ko chut ko ne ala no ba mal ba je nangre wi ka South Sudan ka ko kor bo tung na nak Nuer man yu da gwano Kiir dictator Kiir mayardit nigga me be kwarka ka kor independent me South Sudan je independent je 2011 Kiir mayardit chut ne jen karun dangro kwarka rodin chone de shop ke kinu ku dangwan chukanak chone de chu liu ga shoda re wi ka South Sudan 400,000 people to die ka South Sudan because of Kiir mayardit recklessness Kiir mayardit rule Karodian, Cho South Sudan, Cho Jacob, but a core, Nere Kinda could down one chukalu. Chuman Walla, would kill my yard in Moda Quara. Miss I don't know the Queen Quarde Jalat, keep Queen Guinea, became my yardid Bacora din by a talk. She came my yardid, you wanna go take a joy? She had joy and I nature to Ocean and Manta Moda, take a condition. Kill my yardid point, Jalche Jalong. Kariu ne 400,000 ya na kariu dial kanware naga kare which ka South Sudan ka Juba ka naga ka angoda tenijen kwara karun dangara Karodian gwada ya shirye macharu da roda kwanya la kwar chu kire gujeno be pen so chu nang Nuer chu tok man nyu da gwano Kiir mayardit de dictator karon kina dangara dual diok chu Nuer chu kanak rewe ka Juba gwada walat ka Queen Gwinethen anyo koron kina dangre dol bakel gwade dan de maldar ben gaje meshi nawre ju we ke Juba chu Kiir mayardit chu koren chu nyokle no tong nyok me bu ko teka o ba mal ba je tan koron kin dangre dol badaka kam din kan dangre machar Kiir mayardit chaje chu molonga jilwa kot catholic ano der mal deri no la puba benere wi ka South Sudan jagge war gani letter to wan ko jin no mal chu ne ko chu ko chenga jak Dundo ka kora yo mishi ka dak pingin ji Catholic la lo ko den te tok telam banen boro da ger telam gero da Kiir mayardit karun ya run waro dial kirun wal diok ngora janta Kiir mayardit wal shara no ben war baka nagde ke bara mishi lok ba janagde akanen konin Kiir mayardit chakala dan tam nyu da go an wojen a dictator Kiir mayardit dan tam wi mon chala do wojen a jaram dan lok mal ram lok mal e Kiir mayardit she bondi ale koken she re which ka South Sudan chicken Nuer but Kiir mayardit kana janga de kon tega ke la dinka government tin kon shagu je no beken South Sudan beken right ka runtung wan ka negden kana ko e karun dang wero de kon te kwar ka mirna kor kwal kana kwak South Sudan dial rien kana rodin ka ko kana me ka mi jin wi ko Arab state che tiang Kiir mayardit chala mo che jalat Kiir mayardit che future dung dinka che jalan niam dung jane jen kwil ne tam tege Nuer koga tege ne de koga ji Uganda Nuer content kwa Nuer ken kwa betray Kiir mayardit chengne ne ne re wang naka she peaceful person in fact psychologically michu gujije bi ngaje no Kiir is sick Kiir take a mental disorder Kiir take a trauma Kiir is fear to lose power jen dan to ka dictator miche gujino de kwa dar jengeje la du be la kale de long so bana bakanak so Kiir mayardit chaje la no ji Catholic no jen serong ko dar la kwar ki da ruire wi ka South Sudan ko je din dia la kontin lat kare Catholic church ndong de ran no dar ma de no ko nyu en go generan ko wa ci Kiir mayardit ya kan chekalat so ne me mi cha ko ken beje kwen ye en sharrana changun gwasa me ka to English. In the heart of East Africa, a paradox unfolds. South Sudan dictator, Kiir mayardit, a man who kneel in prayer, oaths the Pope, and professes deep devotion to Catholic teaching. He is also a ruler whose legacy is marred by conflict, as his tenure near its twilight. His history appeared destined to conclude not with peace but with yet another brutal civil war and regional destabilization. How does a self-proclaimed man of faith become an architect of perpetual conflicts? What does his militarism mean for a nation already on the brink? The devout warrior, Kiir's identity is a study in contradictions. His religious affiliation paints the picture of a devout leader, dining with bishop, welcoming Pope Francis for prayer, and publicly invoking divine guidance, yet he has conspicuously defied the fundamental commandment, "Thou shalt not kill." Since South Sudan gained independence in 2011, his leadership has been defined by atrocity rather than stability. Just 2 years into his presidency, civil war erupted, claiming nearly 400,000 lives. By 2016, another wave of violence shattered hope of reconciliations. The church, both domestically and globally, has long urged Kiir to embrace genuine peace. However, his action remains unchanged. Kiir shall kill peace agreements negotiated in Addis Ababa, Arusha, Khartoum, Rome, and Nairobi have repeatedly collapsed under his watch. Now, after 21 years in power, Kiir appears poised to reignite conflict once again, with consequences that could destabilize the entire region. A survival strategy built on war. Kiir has long maintained his grip on power through a combination of tribal loyalty and foreign alliance, especially Ugandan. His presidential guard and national army remain fragmented, unprofessional, and frequently unpaid. When faced with domestic resistance, such as recent uprising in Nasser, Mr. Kiir, while publicly committing to peace, has covertly outsourced violence to mercenaries and foreign troops. He has authorized Uganda People Defense Forces to operate within South Sudan, ordering foreign mercenaries to conduct airstrike in Nasser County, Longachuk and Akobo, a region predominantly inhabited by the Nuer people, Nuer ethnic group, resulting in the deaths of more than 26 civilians, including women and children. Uganda already condemned by the International Court of Justice for its role in conflict in the Democratic Republic of the Congo, has reinforced its role as Kiir military enforcers operating within South Sudan within impunity. Recently, UPDF Chief General Maozi, son of Museveni, publicly threatened to invade and occupy Khartoum, prompting outrage from Sudan junta under General Abdel Fattah al-Burhan. When Burhan government demanded an apology, Uganda refused, while Kiir simultaneously finalized an agreement allowing the United Arab Emirates (UAE) to establish a strategic outpost near Sudan border. This March, leveraging Uganda military support, Kiir opened a new front in Upper Nile, deploying UPDF unit alarmingly close to the Khartoum. This maneuver not only shocked Burhan but also intensified regional tension.